by Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, ably led by my humble self, on the outcome of the local government elections held on Saturday, 5th of October, 2024. You will recall, gentlemen, that on Monday, the 1st July 2024, the 6th Commission of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, headed by my humble self as Chairman and Chief Electoral Commissioner, held a general stakeholders meeting during which the timetable of activities and guidelines for the 2024 local government council elections in Rivers State was unveiled and 5th October fixed for the election. Thenceforth, several political parties indicated their interest to participate in the election. About 18 out of the registered political parties in the Federation resident in Rivers State partook in it. They had party primaries. Candidates were screened and subsequently cleared to contest as chairman, vice chairman, and councillors from the various wards and local government areas of Rivers State. The Commission embarked on enlightenment and sensitization campaign to educate the citizens on their democratic rights and the importance of exercising their franchise. In keeping with extant regulations, the Commission displayed the register of voters in all the 6,866 polling units of the state, which political parties embarked on campaigns, while political parties embarked on campaigns to canvass votes from their supporters. Things were progressing smoothly until the 10-day protest that gripped the nation, leading to stagnation of social, economic, and political activities. That aside, several legal obstacles and court cases were instituted against the Commission by persons and parties, ostensibly in vindication of their democratic right. Despite these obstacles, the Commission remained unbowed and ensured that the 5th October date remained as sacrosanct as it invariable, especially after the Supreme Court judgment of 11th of July 2024 and the judgment of IPC Igwe of Rivers State High Court. It is therefore heartening that I stand before you all today to affirm the smooth, safe, and free, fair, credible, and transparent, all-inclusive, successful, violence-free, and most treasured conduct of the 2024 Rivers State Local Government Council elections, despite all odds. Polls were closed across the state by 3 p.m. today. Before then, there was large turnout of enthusiastic citizens who came out to exercise their franchise, even in the midst of heavy downpour witnessed this morning. Results have been trickling in since closure of polls, and the good people of Rivers State and residents have spoken through the ballot, and they are in ecstatic expectation of the results of this historic election. The Commission, on behalf of the people of Rivers State, salute the patriotism, the resolve, resilience, and support of the overwhelming majority of Rivers State people and residents. Now to the heart of the matter, and that is, we embark on declaration of results for the chairmanship elections into the 23 local government areas of Rivers State, emerging from the 5th October 2024 local government elections in Rivers State. Therefore, I, Honorable Justice ADOLPHUS ENEBELI retired, in my capacity as the Chairman, Chief Electoral Commissioner of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, and pursuant to the extant provisions of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Law Number 2 of 2018 and all other laws enabling me in that behalf, do hereby make declaration of results for the chairmanship elections into the 23 local government councils of Rivers State. After painstaking collation of results at the close of poll by our team of officials regarding the local government council elections conducted this day, the 5th of October 2024, the following candidates, having scored majority of lawful or valid votes cast in 2/3 of the respective wards comprising their respective local government areas of Rivers State, are hereby returned as elected chairmen or chairwomen. They are 1. Abua Odua, Ruben Vincent Obu, APP. Ahoda East, Ezu Rizi Chibudom Hezekiah, APP. Ahoda West, Ikporo Iyeko, APP. Akukutoru, Tonye Briggs Oniyide, APP. Andone, Lazarus Gote Intogwile, APP. Asaritoru, Engineer Dr. Sule Amakre, APP. Boni Anengi Barasua, Wakeups, APP. Degema, Dr. Agriye M. Harry, APP. Eleme, Brian A.E. Gogba, APP. Emoha, Omereji Chinedu David, APP. In respect of ETCHE, the Commission in its wisdom stood down its result because of the expansive land there comprised of 19 words. Collation, we want to be sure of correct collation before we announce. And for ETCHE local government, it is stood down till the announcement of results or the collation of results for the councillors. We now come to Gokana. Dumiye Monday Belbare, APP. Ikwere Abos Israel Easy, APP. Kana Martins Nwibo, APP. Obiakpo Ihunwo Kemzinum Chijoke, APP. Ogwegwe Mandone Umejuru Nwabu Homa Isaac, APP. Ogubolo Oforibeka Ishmael, APP. Okrika Achese Igwe, APP. Omuma Promise Reginald, APP. Opobonkoro Enyada Clifford Kokigam, APP. Oyibo Okere Gift, APP. Port Harcourt Ichemati Ezebunwo Prince Charles, APP. And Tai DK Martin Matthew Felix, APP. The details or the statistics of the respective scores shall be published in RSIEC website and the media, and they will be made available to the public and all contestants. The election results for councillorship election into 319 words spread across the 23 local government areas of Rivers State shall be declared subsequently and soonest, together with that of ETCHE that has been stood down. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you all for listening.
Ladies and gentlemen, very quickly, I want to say, with all sense of modesty, that the critical component of any electoral process is premised on the transparency and credibility of that process. Based on our observation, coupled with what Mr. Chairman has just declared, there is no gain stressing the fact that this election conducted today is transparent and is credible. This result resonates the decision of the electorate in Rivers State to affirm their democratic rights. And it goes to say that democracy has come to stay at the grassroots. We want to enjoin the chairman-elect to please have a large heart, to be magnanimous, even in victory. Thank you very much.
State, the various branches were accredited to be observers of this electoral exercise, the local government elections. A number of us were in the field. We also had our members in the field, and we received reports from them accordingly. And of course, the general view is, from our observation, that the election was largely peaceful. People came out to vote, and we can indeed say that there truly was an electoral exercise in Rivers State. Thank you very much.
Advisory Council. Let me move now.
For your efforts. God bless you.
We'll stand and take a closing prayer.
The 6th Commission